Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the census data to gather important data for business and policy analysis in New Jersey. Suppose you're a company looking to open a business in the state, or you're investigating the fiscal impact of a policy on a specific group of people in the state. One way to do this is by using the US Census data, which provides information about population demographics and business statistics. The census is a valuable resource because it offers data on a wide range of topics. This makes it an excellent tool for understanding population and employment trends, among other things. So let's try to do a simple example together. Suppose I want to find the employment numbers in New Jersey and how many people live in the state. I start by going to google.com and typing in the US Census. Then I click on the Census Data Advanced Search. I get here on this website. On the left side, you see different categories I can select and filter, like geographies, topics, and surveys. So I am interested in the state of New Jersey. So I click on that. Then I go here and click on New Jersey. Then I am interested in the employment numbers. So I click on employment. And then here's the employment. And I do search. And I get different tables, but for today's purpose, we're going to just look at DP03. And we find that there are about 5 million people in the labor force, and about 4.7 million of them are employed. But I'm also interested in the population. So I got the employment number. I'm going to X out of that. And then I'm going to go to the population and click on the age and sex. I can also click on the population, but we'll do the age and sex. And then I can X out of that. I can also X out of margin of error. For today, you don't need this. And I could see that the total population in New Jersey is about 9.3 million. And then I get different categories like age categories living in New Jersey, or the number of people by age categories living in New Jersey. So I would recommend looking at this website and playing with this data sets and what they offer, or the US Census data sets and what they offer, and learn what type of information we can find here, because it will be helpful for your final project.